Welcome back, health enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore the 10 best exercises to achieve a healthy body and mind. So grab your workout gear and let's dive right in. Remember, before starting any new exercise routine, consult with your doctor or a fitness professional. Safety first. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. We're kicking things off with a classic, jumping jacks. They're fantastic for warming up, improving cardiovascular health, and working out your entire body. Start with your feet together and arms by your side. Then jump while spreading your legs and simultaneously raising your arms above your head. Repeat this movement for about a minute. Exercise 2, push-ups. Now, let's target our upper body with the mighty push-ups. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Begin in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Exercise 3, squats. Time to give your lower body some love with squats. They're excellent for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest lifted and go as low as you comfortably can. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Exercise 4, plank. Let's engage our core muscles with the plank. It's a simple yet effective exercise for building a strong and stable core. Begin by supporting your body weight on your forearms and toes, with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 5, running or jogging. Now, let's get that heart rate up with some cardio. Running or jogging is an excellent way to improve cardiovascular endurance and burn calories. Whether you prefer to hit the pavement or use a treadmill, aim for at least 20 minutes of moderate intensity running or jogging 3 to 4 times a week. Exercise 6, yoga. Let's shift gears and bring balance to our bodies and minds with yoga. It's a fantastic practice for flexibility, strength, and stress reduction. Incorporate a mix of poses like downward-facing dog, warrior poses, and tree pose into your routine. Aim for 3 sessions per week, each lasting 20 to 30 minutes. Exercise 7, jump rope. Jumping rope isn't just for kids. It's a fantastic full-body workout. It improves coordination, cardiovascular health, and burns calories. Grab a jump rope and start skipping. Aim for 3 sets of 1-minute intervals, gradually increasing the duration as you progress. Exercise 8, cycling. Get on your bike and enjoy the great outdoors while working up a sweat. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that strengthens your legs, glutes, and cardiovascular system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cycling, 3 to 4 times a week. Adjust the intensity and duration based on your fitness level. Exercise 9, swimming. Dive into the pool for a refreshing and effective workout. Swimming is a total body exercise that improves cardiovascular fitness, builds muscle, and is gentle on the joints. Try to swim for at least 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Mix up your strokes and enjoy the water. Exercise 10, meditation. Lastly, exercise for the mind. Take a break from physical exertion and find a quiet space for meditation. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall mental well-being. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Start with 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. And there you have it, our top 10 exercises for a healthy body and mind. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and watch your overall well-being improve. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please click like, write a comment, express your opinion. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel because we will offer you more good videos.